Assalamu alaikum and good morning class. I hope you all are fine in taking online classes. Today our topic is a method of asexual reproduction from chapter number 14 named reproduction. I have drawn these two diagrams for you for showing methods of asexual reproduction. As you know, as its name suggests, bi means two and fission means breakdown. It's mean one parent is divided into two daughter cells. Okay. Firstly, you have to recall your previous knowledge. What is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is that in which only one parent is involved. What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is that in which two parents are involved. And we are going to discuss methods of asexual reproduction in which only one parent is involved. Okay, so number one method of asexual reproduction is a binary fission in which one parent is divided into two daughter cells. We have given with two examples. Number one is amoeba and number second is bacteria. How bacteria divide, how bacteria reproduce. Its question came as how bacteria divide, how amoeba divide, how amoeba reproduce, how bacteria reproduce. Write the method of amoeba reproduction, write the methods of bacterial reproduction. What is a binary fission? It may came as any question. Your concept must be clear in every situation. Now we start with our amoeba. Firstly, you have to look, this is parental amoeba. What parental amoeba has been done? It divide its nuclei. Recall your previous knowledge. Firstly, in mitosis, in meiosis, we have studied firstly nucleoli divide, nucleus divide. In binary fission, first of all, nucleus divide into two. You have seen in the diagram, now there are two nuclei are present, and in the next step nuclei moves to the opposite poles. Then what happened? Then cytoplasmic division can be occur. They start to pull towards each poles. One is moving towards north pole and one is moving towards south pole. For the separation, for division into two, bi means two. After this, it will start pulling this side and it will start pulling towards this side. As a result, two daughter amoeba can be formed. This is known as binary fission. Divide, bi means two, divide into two. It can be divided into two amoeba, which are actually exact copies of their parents. As we already studied in the definition of asexual reproduction, they are exact copies of their parents. So these are actually the exact copies of their parent. There are two daughter cells which are actually exact copies of their parent. Then binary fission occur in these two and they will multiply in a geometric fashion. One divided into 2 and 2 divided into 4 and 4 divided into 16. In the same way, how bacteria reproduce? Bacteria also reproduce by means of asexually by binary fission. Same phenomena happen in this. This is known as parental bacteria. Parental bacteria first of all divide its nuclei into two. Nuclei divide, nuclear division has been done, and then both of the nuclei move towards opposite pole. One move towards south and one move towards north pole. After the division and separation of nuclei, there must be cytoplasm which have to be separated. And in the next step, cytoplasm has been divided into two bacterium. There are two daughter cells produced, and these two daughter bacteria are exactly the copies of its parent. Then they are also divided in a geometrical fashion. 1 divided into 2, 2 divided into 4 and 4 divided into 16. This is known as binary fission. It is a method of asexual reproduction. Now I am going to explain binary fission in planaria. Next we are going to discuss binary fission in planaria. It will happen in the same way like bacteria or amoeba. We have already studied it. In this, body is cut into two halves. this is planaria. Planaria body is cut into two halves. It is known as fission. Fission means breakdown. Fission, and the missing body parts are regenerated both halves. Missing body parts now regenerated as complete planaria. It is body is cut into two halves, and each cut develop its own complete planaria. This type of asexual reproduction is common in planaria and many echinoderms, and it is known as binary fission. Now we are going to discuss multiple fission. It may also be, we will discuss fragmentation in next. I am not going to complicate you. Okay, we are going to discuss multiple fission. Now I have drawn multiple fission for you. Some unicellular organisms, for example amoeba, form hard wall called cyst around them. For multiple fission, the amoeba will form a hard wall. In some unfavorable condition maybe, or maybe any situation, it will form a hard wall. This is known as a cyst. The hard wall is known as a cyst. It may become as a short question, what is cyst? So you may write cyst as it is the hard wall form around amoeba. Around amoeba. This is known as a cyst. When favorable condition return, the nucleus of parent divided into many nuclei by repeated division. It may form cyst around it, but reproduction cannot be stopped. It continue to divide its nuclei. You may see in the diagram there are many nuclei present in the inside the cyst. This is followed by the division of cytoplasm in several parts. Then first of all nuclei divide. I am going to label it. This is a cyst wall. It is the unfavorable condition. During favorable condition, it may simply divide into two by the process of binary fission. But during unfavorable condition, it can be divided through a multiple fission fashion. It form a round wall, hard wall, which is known as cyst around it, and under this cyst, a cell continue to divide its nucleus. There are many nuclei. Many nucleus are present. Thus is followed by the division of cytoplasm. Now many daughter amoeba are present inside the cyst wall. Each new part of cytoplasm encloses one nucleus. Now clear? So a number of daughter cells are formed from a single parent. It means single parent form many daughter cells under unfavorable condition under the formation of the cyst. At the same time, this kind of fission is known as multiple fission, and when the favorable condition will return, it will rupture its cyst. Now I am going to mention their cyst wall. Yeah, cyst. You may only mention cyst. Cyst walls are rupture, cyst rupture, and many amoeba are now ready to dispatch. You may call as a daughter amoeba. I am going to mention it as a daughter amoeba. Its mean multiple fission has been completed. As its name indicates, it was multiple fission. Its mean division into many. It was binary fission in which division into two exists, and it is multiple fission in which one divided into many. Its mean one amoeba divided into many. Under unfavorable condition, reproduction has not been stopped. I hope you all understand the lecture. But still our fragmentation budding left. We will study it in a next lecture. Okay, thank you so much class.